To use elimination to solve a system of two linear equations, first, if needed, multiply both sides of one equation by a number, and if necessary, multiply both sides of the other equation by another number, to get the coefficients of one variable to be equal in absolute value and opposite in sign. Next, we're going to add the left side and add the right sides of the equation to eliminate one of the variables. Then we'll solve the equation that is found from step 2, and then substitute the solution found in step 3 into one of the original equations, and solve for the other variables. So, example 3, I want to solve the system 4x minus 3y equaling negative 3, and 5x minus 2y, or 5x plus 2y equaling 25. So if I add these together as they are, I would end up with 9x minus y equaling 22. But neither my x's nor my y's would cancel. So that means I need to multiply either both equations to get the x's to be eliminated or the y's to be eliminated. To get the x's to be eliminated, the least common multiple between 4 and 5 is 20. So I'd have to multiply this by 5 and this by 4 and one or the other by a negative number to get one to be a positive 20 and one to be a negative 20. To eliminate the y's, my least common multiple is 6. So I would have to multiply the top equation by 2 and the bottom equation by 3. And since they're both already opposite signs, I wouldn't have to multiply one by a negative. They're already set up. One is a negative, one is a positive. So I'm going to eliminate the y's. I'm going to multiply the top, both sides of the top by 2. So this gives me 8x minus 6y equaling to negative 6. And I'll multiply both sides of my bottom equation to give me 15x plus 6y equaling 75. So I'll add these two together. So that gives me 23x plus 0, because the y's cancel out, equaling, I have 75 minus 6. So that would give me 69. So I have 23x equaling 69. I'll divide both sides by 23. So that gives me x is equal to 3. I'll then take this x equaling 3 and plug it into either of the two original equations. Since the first equation multiplies x by a smaller number, I'm going to choose that one. So I have 4x minus 3y equaling negative 3. So I have 4 times 3 minus 3y equaling negative 3. So I have 12 minus 3y equaling negative 3. So I have negative 3y is equal to negative 15, which means that my y is equal to 5. So my ordered pair is 3, 5. So the solution to this equation is the ordered pair 3, 5.